So, let's get them back in.
The top one is number 1. The bottom one is number 10. Write your guesses in the comments.
One, two. Not hard. These are getting bigger now, so hopefully bigger numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's better. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, that just closed it then. 15. One, 2, 3, 4, 4. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One, 2, 3, 4, 4. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's one, big one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's go for it.
On top of a knee that was already scuffed. Nah, we're alright. Now that's what I call a fair tree. Wow. Massive. But look, it's like grown within the rock or around the rock or with the rock as part of it. I've never seen anything quite like that. It's beautiful. The rock's doing their thing and the tree's doing its thing, and they're both doing the thing together, which is nice to see. See you later, bitter. Bitter both. Which one's bitter and which one's both? Well, I've never seen one of you before. It's like a massive moth. It could just be a massive moth for all I know, but it looks like a butterfly with like a bee's body. Alright, let's look at it from a distance, eh? Just as a bit of context of like what a regular meal looks like for me at home, I'm just doing like a using up meal, using up this cheese, using up that cheese, and then sauces, big up Lancashire sauce. Very nice. And mixed seeds on a toasty. So yeah, I just make do with whatever's lying around, and whether that be in my fridge or what's in my bag, that's just how I do it. Nothing too dear, like. And a bit of nutritional yeast too. You know, you know. And I'm even running low on coconut oil, so I've chucked some olive oil in there and mixed that together and get that on there, something like that in it. Ooh. So, a bit of that. Something like that in it. Bit of that. A bit of that. Bit of this. And Bob's your uncle. Or is your sort of stray cat who's beautiful. Aren't you, buddy? This is your doormat, isn't it? Our doormat, yeah. Good boy. Got a little setup there for him. Good boy. You're very grateful, aren't you? Good lad. Good boy. Good lad, Bob. Oh yeah, that's better. Bish. Bash. Bosh. And as always, leave no trace. Banging.
Like a shiny turquoisey colour. Never seen one of them before. He's back again. Oh, buddy.
Turquoisey.
He seems quite happy around me, and I'm quite happy around him. I don't mind creepy crawlies as long as they keep the distance, which he is doing. So, yeah, you're more than welcome to stay there as long as you like.
Turquoisey.
Could be more of him. I wonder if there's a reason that he's chose to stop here. If there's a feeling he's feeling that he doesn't usually. I don't know. I don't know. Whatever the reason is, he's happy there. He's happy with the camera right near him. He's comfortable with me as I am with him. Lovely.